Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Norwind Emirates. My name is Rosie McCann. Our discussion today is about EPC and constructability. We have to discuss about the main philosophy structure for involving offshore industries into a global vision. Okay, so now let's start wishing you a good time. Here is now Mr. Alessandro Gebbia.
Hello guys. We have to talk about the oil gas industry and the offshore platforms. These marvels of engineering, procurement, construction and commissioning play a pivotal role in the exploration, extraction, and production of petroleum resources. Onshore construction's portions refer to offshore platform assembling played on the land, while offshore platforms, as a result, are finally situated in bodies of water such as oceans, seas, or lakes. These platforms are designed to withstand harsh environmental conditions and support the drilling and extraction processes, ensuring a steady supply of oil gas. Constructability is the ability to build a project according to the design plans and specifications while considering factors such as availability of materials, site constraints, and construction methods. It involves evaluating the feasibility of the design and identifying any potential constructability issues early on in the project lifecycle. To assess constructability, project management need to collaborate closely with architects, engineers, contractors, and more. They must review the design plans and identify any conflicts or discrepancies that may hinder construction. By leveraging their collective expertise, the team can propose alternative solutions, suggest value engineering options, and ensure that the design is practical and buildable. The offshore platforms are the backbone of the oil gas industry. They serve as the primary infrastructure for extracting and processing petroleum resources. These platforms provide a stable base for drilling rigs, production facilities, and storage tanks. This offshore platform is built and assembled in the Place X mainland, but once the construction is completed, it will be transferred in the ocean wide, some kilometers far from the shore. This platform requires advanced engineering, procurement, construction and commissioning techniques to withstand the challenging marine environment. They enable the extraction of oil gas resources, ensuring a steady supply to refineries and ultimately to consumers and related industries. In this project, engineering and construction are a complex process that requires meticulous planning and execution. It involves a multidisciplinary team of professionals. The first step in the process is to conduct a thorough feasibility study to determine the viability of the project. Factors such as geological surveys, environmental impact assessments, and economic considerations are taken into account. Once the project is deemed feasible, the design phase begins. Designing offshore platforms involves considering various factors, such as the type and depth of the reservoir, the expected production rates, and the environmental conditions. The platforms must be able to withstand extreme weather conditions, such as hurricanes and storms, as well as seismic activities. After the design is finalized, the construction phase begins. Onshore working techniques to determine the structural elements to assemble for the offshore platforms are typically constructed using traditional construction methods, but the offshore platforms require a very specialized techniques for a final startup. Some construction technologies are very traditional, but a problem is that platforms are very big, wide, high, heavy, and not easy to transfer offshore. The construction process involves fabricating the platform's components, transporting them to the site, assembling them in place. So guys, we have completed the discussion. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention and interest about Norwind Emirates. In case of need, help, consultancies, you may give a call to 00393453197426 or send an email to alessandro.gebbia@alice.it. I hope we see each other another time, but it doesn't matter when and where. Have a great day.